Hello everyone, in this video I will share how to change button navigation to gesture navigation on Oppo listed in the title. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. First, open your settings menu. Okay, next open system settings. Okay, next open system navigation. Okay, next choose gesture. Learn. Okay, yup, successfully. Okay, to back like this. Yup, to back like this. Okay, to home like this. Yup, to recent application like this. Yups. Okay guys, so many tutorials from me. I hope this tutorial is useful. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you.